What's up guys, welcome to the first episode of Monsters Puzzles. I wanted to start this channel because I enjoy doing puzzles. I'm no expert and do not compete, maybe one day, but as of now, I'm just puzzling. With that being said, thank you for joining and hope you enjoy. Today, the puzzle we'll be putting together is an image of one of the most popular television series in the Star Wars franchise, The Mandalorian. This is a 550-piece Thomas Kincaid Studios puzzle. It features the Mandalorian and Grogu, aka Baby Yoda. The picture is awesome and an iconic part in the series. I'm not too worried about the puzzle. The background should be the toughest part, but shouldn't take me too long. I'm excited to get started. Let's piece it together. I was able to get the edges done. I am missing one piece right here, but we'll find it. Let's go ahead and get started with the middle of the puzzle. I have Grogu, Baby Yoda, essentially completed and missing one piece here. I am completed with the strap. There's a couple pieces that I'm missing, but I did want to get this here. There we are. And then over here, I was able to find this end piece.
One eternity later.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, look at them. Looking cute. I'm going to continue to work on these red tones right here, but then I have all my shield pieces, and then these components. Secondary will be the seats, really putting the maroons together, and then the background will be last. That's a quick update. Let's get back to it. final piece. I'm glad how this puzzle came out. It was really fun. This puzzle wasn't too difficult to put together, but challenging enough. I definitely recommend it. In my next video, I'm very excited because I'm going back to my childhood, Pokemon. This one looks so cool. I'll be hanging this one for sure. Guys, if you like this content, hit that like and subscribe button. Also, please leave any recommendations of puzzles that you would like me to do in the comments down below. Until next time, peace out.